Anthony D'Aquino here again in a mod in our Patterson factory. So we had a question recently about open flooring concepts, right? They want to open living room, open kitchen, some commercial buildings, they want like a hallway or something like that. And a lot of people ask, how do we maintain an open flow? So this wall right here is where the marriage line will take place between two mods. The other side is the kitchen, and this side is the living space. So this wall right here is actually a temporary wall. It's placed there for the shipping and for the setting process to maintain integrity to the building so it's not shifting around as it's being shipped and as it's being set. And then on site, once it's all set and lined up with the marriage lines, this wall will be removed on site. And then that is how you get an open flow concept. Awesome. Thank you. Bye-bye.